Color Blindness by Hanna Hebert. Color blindness, by definition, is when someone has trouble distinguishing between certain colors. But before I talk about why people are colorblind, let's talk about how the human eye sees color. Inside of the human eye, there's a part called the retina. The retina is in charge of how our eyes see images. Inside of the retina, there are two main parts, rods and cone cells. Rods receive images you see in a dark room or at night, usually not color. Cone cells receive the images you see during daylight. People with normal eyesight usually have about 120 million rods and 6 to 7 million cone cells. There are three main categories of cone cells. One is specially sensitive to short waves, another is sensitive to medium waves, and lastly, they're sensitive to long waves. The small cones see waves of color like violet and indigo because the waves are a lot smaller with a higher frequency. Medium cones are sensitive to colors like green, and large cones are sensitive to colors like red. This is an example of the visible light spectrum. You can see how big the waves are, ranging from red to purple. Red has larger waves, whereas green has medium waves, and colors like blue and purple have a lot smaller waves. So, why are people colorblind? Well, some people don't have the correct numbers of cones, or maybe two of the three types of cones. So, for example, if someone only had small and medium cones, the only colors they would see would be blues, purples, pinks, and shades of green, but they would not be able to see red or orange. Therefore, they cannot see purple, blue, or green. There are four main types of color blindnesses: deuteranopia, protanopia, tritanopia, and monochromatism. These pictures show the differences between normal vision and the different types of color blindnesses. Obviously, monochromatism is the most critical one. You can only see the grayscale. Color blindness is related to waves because color is determined by the wavelength of light. Like I said earlier, if the waves are longer, you see the color red and orange. If the waves are medium length, you see colors like yellow and green. And if the waves are shorter in length, you see colors like violet and indigo. Thanks for watching!